Hello guys, welcome to our quick guide on how to withdraw funds from Vault Markets. I'll walk you through the simple steps to get your money fast. Let's dive in. Step 1, log into your Vault Markets account on the web portal or mobile app. Head to the client area or dashboard. Step 2, click on the withdraw icon or the option in the menu. It's usually under funds or account. Step 3, select your withdrawal method. Vault Market offers bank wire transfers, so make sure your banking details are verified in your account settings to avoid delays. Step 4, enter the amount you want to withdraw. There's no minimum or maximum limit, but ensure you have enough funds in your account. Step 5, just submit your request. Vault Markets typically approves withdrawals within hours, but bank processing may take 1 to 2 business days. Keep an eye out on your email for confirmation. That's it guys, your funds are on the way. Pro tip, withdrawals are processed faster than business hours, so plan accordingly. If you need help, contact Vault Markets 24/7 support via WhatsApp or email. Thanks for watching guys. Trade smart and withdraw easy with Vault Markets. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips like this, and I'll see you in the next one.